Why is Nigeria celebrating Independence Day? Why do Nigeria want to celebrate Independence Day? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono. See guys, I'm angry. I wanted to shoot a video, proverbs in Igbo language, which you guys are going to see. I don't know this video, before this video or after this video I'm shooting right now. I don't even know, but I'm here to just be angry. I don't know. We're in September, right? And October is coming soon. And Nigeria is planning to celebrate 1st October, right? Let me even ask, what are we celebrating? What are we celebrating the 1st October? Are we celebrating electricity? Are we celebrating good road? Are we celebrating safety and security? Are we celebrating life? What are we celebrating? Are we celebrating the people, the unknown gunmen that is killing people? Or the kidnapping that is happening here and there? What are we celebrating? Are we celebrating the ASU that is still on strike since February? Even there's this joke I saw on the internet that the lecturer said he's not teaching again, that he's relocating. And people were commenting, saying all sorts of funny things here and there. But in fact, to my own opinion, I don't know, share this video, I don't care. To my own opinion, I don't think this Independence Day should be celebrated. We don't deserve to celebrate Independence Day till we get our ass on the seat. We don't deserve to celebrate Independence Day till we fix the things that are supposed to be fixed in Nigeria. At least safety, security. I don't know what we want to celebrate. ASU has been on strike since February and we want until Independence Day is coming, and I'm seeing some people trying to do some preparation. Can't we just, come together and shut down that 1st October, and that very day, nobody will even go and sing a national anthem in any stadium. Nobody will appear anywhere. Even the flag will not be shown anywhere. Even televisions will not talk about any shit. Like, it will just lie low. Like it never came, it never happened. Because as this 1st October is coming, I'm just thinking, like, guys, seriously, if you're thinking where this video came about, I was just on phone with my friend, and before I wanted to shoot a video when I answered this call. So the whole thing just, what are we celebrating? So this Independence Day now, they'll now come and do Independence Day. And people will come. Even if you think, yes, that some people are still okay in Nigeria, but 90% are not okay. So things are not okay. So if that's 10% that are okay wants to celebrate Independence Day, they should go and celebrate with the president. No problem. But other people should just, keep low. But I believe if everybody work together, that there is no Independence Day that is going to be celebrated, the 10% cannot win 90% of people. What are we celebrating? Nothing is working in Nigeria. Nothing is working. Transportation very expensive. Fuel, diesel very expensive. Cost of living very expensive. What you used to buy 5 naira, you're buying it for 55 naira. Over half of the price. And some things you're buying is 100% of the price. Like 100% of the price. You bought it 200 naira, you're going to buy it 400 naira. If you're not buying 100%, you're buying 55% or 85%. And the price remains that way till date. And these people are not doing nothing. And you're telling me that you people will come and celebrate Independence Day. For what? What are you celebrating? It's so sad. It's so sad that our leaders has failed us. It's so sad that nobody is speaking on our behalf. It's so sad that all our leaders, nobody is applying conscience. And you see some people trying to vote these older men that needs rest. When you vote an older man that needs rest, the subordinates, the friends and family and children will be ruling the country. because they don't have strength anymore. So this is not even about I'm Igbo, I'm Hausa, I'm Yoruba. Check the presidency that the candidates are out. You can see the candidates that are out. You know, obviously, who should have this presidency? That can still walk around, that can still make decisions, that is still strong, health-wise and otherwise. It's between me and you. Have you gotten your voter's card? And forget about this 1st October. And just shut it down. Forget about this 1st October. It's so sad. It's so sad. If I continue to talk about Nigeria and what is happening right now, this video is not going to end. And I won't do the video I wanted to do. That is the reason I'm dressed. But I just wanted to talk about this and drop it here. Why are you celebrating Independence Day? Why do you want to join us celebrating Independence Day? Why is Nigeria celebrating Independence Day? Why do Nigeria want to celebrate Independence Day? In a few weeks is by the corner. What are we celebrating? I want to know.